Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS Studio window capture black screen issue. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app and direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Navigate to the Sources panel and look for Window Capture in your list of sources. Right beside it, you'll notice an eye icon. Click on this icon to disable the black screen temporarily. This quick toggle often helps identify if the issue is source related. Next, right-click on the window capture source and select Properties from the menu that appears. This will open a new window where you can adjust how OBS captures your screen. Look for the Capture Method option, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu. From the list, select Windows 10. This specific capture method is often more compatible with modern systems and can resolve black screen issues caused by display driver conflicts. Now, let's adjust your system graphics settings to ensure OBS has the proper permissions and performance allocation. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button or Windows icon. Type graphics settings into the search bar and click on it from the search results that appear. This system setting controls how Windows allocates GPU resources to applications. Once you're in the graphics settings window, click the Browse button. Navigate to your computer folder, then locate and select the OBS Studio installer file. After selecting it, click Add to include OBS in your graphics performance list. Your OBS application will now appear in the list of apps. Click on it to select it, then click the Options button. In the Options window that appears, you'll see Performance Preference Settings. Click the circle beside High Performance to ensure OBS receives maximum GPU resources, which can eliminate black screen issues related to insufficient graphics processing power. Then click Save to apply these changes. If the black screen issue still persists after these steps, close your OBS app completely. Right-click on the OBS application icon and select Run as Administrator. Running OBS with administrator privileges can resolve permission-related capture problems that cause black screens. If you're still experiencing the black screen, it's time to recreate the source entirely. In the bottom left corner, navigate to the Sources panel and click the plus icon. From the menu, select Window Capture. A new window will appear where you can rename the source if you want. Then click OK to proceed. Look for the window option, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu. Select your preferred capture window from the list of available options. This ensures you're targeting the correct window for capture. Below that, navigate back to Sources in the bottom left. Click on your newly created window capture and select Properties. Look for the capture method again, click the drop-down menu right beside it, and select Windows 10 to maintain compatibility. And that's it! You've successfully fixed the OBS Studio window capture black screen by adjusting capture methods, graphics settings, and running with proper permissions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.